everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a Lebanese dessert which is called as Layali Lubnan or Lebanese Nights. It is a really soft semolina pudding which gonna melt in your mouth. So let's get started. This pudding has 2 layers, so let's start with the first layer. You need around 4 cups of milk. Add in half a cup of sugar into that and mix it. Once the sugar starts to melt, add in half a cup of semolina. Cook the mixture till it becomes really thick. You can add some rose water for flavoring. Splash in some vanilla essence and mix it. If you want your pudding to be really firm, then you can cook the semolina mixture till it becomes more thick. But I prefer my pudding to be soft and creamy, so I stopped cooking at this point of time. Now I took a spring form and greased it with some vegetable oil, and I poured my semolina mixture into it. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles and set it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's make the sugar syrup. So into a pan, add in 1 cup of sugar with half a cup of water and a splash of rose water. Mix it and cook the mixture till the sugar is completely dissolved. Add juice from half a lemon and mix it. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Now let's prepare the second layer for the pudding. Into a pan, add around 2 cups of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now take a bowl, add some corn flour. Add some water and mix it and make it a slurry. Now once the milk started to boil, add the corn flour mixture little by little and keep on whisking it. Once the milk becomes slightly thick, add around half a cup of cream cheese. Adding cream cheese is just optional. If you don't like the taste of cream cheese, you can always avoid it. But it gives a really good texture and taste for the pudding. Now once the mixture becomes really thick, take it out and add it on top of the first layer of the pudding. Give it a tap and then again set it in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours or until the layers get set. Once the pudding is set, slowly take it out from the mold. And if you are not using a spring form, you can cut the pudding inside the bowl and slowly take out the pieces. You can garnish the top portion of the pudding with some chopped nuts. But traditionally, this Lebanese dessert is garnished with chopped pistachios. This Layali Lubnan is definitely gonna be a hit on all parties. When you cut through this pudding, you can feel how soft this pudding is. And after cutting this pudding, you should pour the sugar syrup on top of it and then serve this dessert. This pudding is so soft and it just melts in your mouth. This Layali Lubnan is amazingly aromatic semolina pudding, which is a quite refreshing summer dessert. So definitely try out this healthy Lebanese dessert and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.